This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the app is updated and that you're logged in. This avoids tracking errors. Once done, open the Daily Data section and tap your active plan so the app reads your allowance. Make sure to enter exact GB or MB caps and the billing or reset date. The reason is simple. Accurate inputs let predictions be accurate. Now check that background data permissions are granted so real usage is recorded continuously. You now decide how to split your monthly cap across days. Pick automatic for even distribution or manual when you expect heavy use days. Once selected, configure alerts at 75% and 90% so you get timely warnings. This prevents surprise cutoffs. Then assign per app limits or enable data saver so background apps don't exhaust your quota. Because predictive models vary, review the suggested daily amount and adjust if you know a travel day or streaming evening is coming. You finish by monitoring the dashboard each morning to confirm predicted usage matches actual consumption. Small corrections compound into accurate forecasting. If an app spikes data, force stop it or restrict its background access, and then recheck the totals so you don't overshoot. Finally, if numbers look wrong, recalibrate the plan settings or update the reset date. If problems persist, contact app support with a screenshot. They can sync records or fix permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.